burning up. Something's burning up. Always in California. It's probably my mixtape. Woo! Oh. No? No? Okay. It's not my mixtape. Still not big enough. Fuck. The sun's too bright. Oh jeez. Jamie's coming along.
I can stay here if you want.
No, it's okay. I have a car. The car's over there. That lifted ass Civic. I'm not sick. I just got allergies out of nowhere. We're on our way to Home Depot. I mean, Harbor Freight. We already went to Home Depot. Oh. We already went to Home Depot. They didn't have nothing at Home Depot. Oh, they didn't have what I was looking for at Home Depot, I should say. So we're going to Harbor Freight. But we had to stop because someone was like, I'm hungry, I want breakfast, I want to eat. Like, how selfish.
Well, one of us has to work,
how
right?
selfish.
One
but
of
anyways,
us has to work, right?
We're on our way to Harbor Freight. We're gonna go look for a step drill because the one I got, it was too small, still too small. I just needed one step more and it would have been perfect, but it's not the case. So we're on our way to Harbor Freight. GTR. This little thing right here. Oh, there's smudge on my camera. Yeah, on my lens. Well, anyways, I got what I needed. I got what you need.
Can you put your fat ass head?
You get on this side after this car. So I got what I need. Now let's go back to where we need to go. Let's go back to the garage. One day I'm gonna be saying let's go back to the shop and let's go finish up building this S2000 so we can get on to the next build. Almost, god damn it. So let me explain what's going on. So basically, as you can see, this thing has like these little bumps right here. So there's one right here, so I just shaved just enough to get this gasket to sit properly. There you go, it's sitting pretty good now. So, but we're gonna take extra precaution. We're gonna add some JB Weld just around the side, just so it can kind of like sit in there kind of good on both sides. But yeah, let's continue on. Alright, there it is. There she is. Look at that. Looks like it's straight from freaking factory. Like, did you buy this at Honda? Like, fucking. Look at that. So I had used in some Loctite, some Honda Bond around the edges and around the plug, just to be, you know, just to be a little, have that little more security, especially outside over here, because this is where yeah, it's ended up all the way to like hand tight to my ability, you know. Like, I didn't want to do a wrench or anything either because I don't want to overdo it, but fuck. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and prep and get the hose ready. Go measure it out, I guess, to see how long it's gonna need to be. It might be the rest of the coil that I have, but we'll see. Alright people, it's in. The oil pan is in. Here is the drain line. That's gonna go up from the oil down to here. Everything's connected, torqued to spec, because yeah, we don't want no leaks and we don't no issues whatsoever. So it runs to here. Here it is. Here's the line. I need to connect it. I have the, here's the one that goes to the turbo. Now the only problem with that is that the bolts that it came with are literally way too small. Look at that. It barely covers anything. So they don't really catch in there. So I'm gonna have to get longer ones. But shit, let's see if this should fit. Yeah, fits like a champ. So, other than that, I still got some lines to run. Piping is next. I got lines to run from these to wherever, stuff to tighten up, make sure everything's good. I gotta relocate these two right here. I don't know where yet. I'm still gonna figure it out. Other than that, I'm still trying to figure out other things. I know I might be able to uninstall the secondary air injection system. I'm not exactly sure. I have to check that out. But fuck, other than that, we only getting closer and closer to get going on this. But yeah, I mean, shit, we're good for now. We got the feed, we got the oil feed and the return, or the drain, whatever you want to call it. Man, we're getting there, we're getting there. Alright, you guys, well, that's that for that. I didn't make an outro for that last video. Right now I'm gonna actually go make another video, but I'm making an outro for this video, the video that's coming out today. But anyways, if you have not gone to our online store yet to check out all the merch we have, there's one of the shirts right here. Go ahead and check it out, links down below. Also, as well as I got Amazon links down below of any products that I've used in past videos, or if there's anything in this video that you find interesting, go ahead and hit the links down below, check them out, buy it if you need it. It makes it easier and faster for you to get instead of having to look around. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out, see you in the next one.